Hello everyone. So today we'll talk about buffer in the circuits using op amp. We'll try to understand how to use buffer and what are the different advantage of buffer using in the circuits. So first we'll understand what is buffer using op amp. So I will simply draw op amp circuits where I have two terminal, positive and negative terminal, and the output is connected to the inverting input. Here I will apply a voltage at the positive terminal. Vin, let's say it is a V1 and this is a V2. Okay. So there is a principle of virtual short circuits. If I use that virtual short circuit and this is a ideal op amp, so this V2 is equal to V1 I can write. Okay. And because of this feedback, my output voltage will be V1. So by using this concept, I can say that a buffer is a high input impedance circuits that accept the input voltage and output the same voltage. That is a buffer. Now there are two circuits I have drawn. One is this voltage divider and one is this op amp circuits. Now let's understand because if you try to see, in many cases we try to use this voltage divider, and we'll try to understand what is the disadvantage of using these circuits. Now what will happen, let's see, I have applied a 10 voltage and there are two resistors and I want to calculate the voltage over these nodes. Okay, so first let's calculate the voltage over this node. Okay, this node voltage will be a 5 volt because these resistors are same, so this will be a 5 volt. Now if I am drawing these circuits on the PCB, right, so this particular trace will have some impedance. Okay, now we have a load which has some resistance, so again this will form a second voltage divider. So you have one first voltage divider. Okay, and this is one second voltage divider. So at this node you were expecting a 5 volt, okay, but you will not get a 5 volt, you will get lesser than the 5 volt. So these circuits will not work. Okay, now what is the solutions for this? So we can use a op amp as a buffer. Okay, wherein you can see that okay, I want a 5 volt, so I have used a voltage divider. Okay, so I will get a 5 volt over here. Okay, now using a virtual short circuit, okay, the same 5 volt will appear over here. Okay, and then the same voltage I will get over the output. So by this I can ensure that there is no drop in voltage or there is no loss in the voltage from input to the output. So that is why most of the time in the circuits you can see we use a buffer uh, using a op amp for driving the input voltage to the output. Even